On today's video, we're going to discuss seasonal tendencies for the Japanese yen futures. Before I get started, please pay attention to the disclaimer. If you intend to trade futures, there are risks involved, and only risk capital should be utilized. So please read the disclaimer at the bottom and heed it. Thank you. Okay, so let's start off. Let's go to our website, ccstrade.com. Under quotes and charts, futures seasonal charts. As you can see, we have seasonal charts for most of the commodities. And for today, we're going to focus on the Japanese yen futures contract. So you click on Japanese yen. Well, it looks like I got to sign in. TTNTR. Sorry about that. Let's see here. Okay, so here we are, Japanese yen futures. Let me explain the chart first off. The black line represents the current contract and price, it going into early March 2017. Okay, the red line represents the 5-year seasonal pattern. The green line represents the 10-year seasonal pattern. And the blue line represents the 15-year seasonal pattern. What does that mean and how is it calculated? Okay, well, we'll take the 5-year. How is it calculated? What we do is we go back 5 years and we take each day's range, average it, and plot it on this line, and it projects out and tells us what on average the Japanese yen traded at over the last 5 years. The average. Okay, so that's the 5-year. Did the same going back 10 years for the green line, and for the blue line going back 15 years. So how do you read this chart? What does it tell you? Well, let's look at it. It looks like the 5-year seasonal tends to bottom out first. It looks like it makes a low in early March and then rallies pretty steady up and down into September, basically. Okay, so from a trader's perspective, you wouldn't want to make a trade based solely on a seasonal, and particularly off just a 5-year seasonal. But if you delve a little deeper, it looks like the better opportunity might come in early April when both the 10 and 15-year contracts have shown a tendency to bottom in that time frame. And then both of those run up pretty strong for a month. Actually, they all line up together to go up into early May, and then sideways to lower into July, and then up pretty good going into September. So that's what it's looking like for the Japanese yen chart. I hope you found this beneficial. We have a whole lot more to offer. We've got futures historical charts for every commodity, every month, every year, going back to 1959 in some instances. The seasonal charts, of course. We have spread charts where you could spread corn against wheat or gold against silver or July corn against December corn. Anything you can dream of, you can plot it. We have live streaming quotes and charts as well in any time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 5 hour. It's all there live with technical indicators. Okay, so I've also compiled a list of the top 10 must-see trading rules that I developed over my 35-year trading career. These will help you whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just beginning to trade. Follow these rules and trade smarter. If you click the Show More button below and go to our website and sign up. Provide us your email address, and we'll send you the rules free of charge. Thank you.